Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best workout bench available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Video Workout Bench. Versatile workout. This fitness chair has a total of 22 fitness functions, which can train your biceps, triceps, or deltoids, etc. Meet all your fitness needs and bring you a healthy life. Fitness abs machine made of heavy-duty steel frame. High-quality torsion spring. Super high-quality tension spring rope. 5 million times of continuous stretching and will not be damaged. Ensure the safety and effectiveness of your exercise. Outstanding design. The backrest part provides 230° extension to meet different needs. It can be used by beginners or professionals. The boating function is additionally added, and the exercise options are increased. Lean back boating. Sit in. Rest your back against the massage back with 2 feet beneath the bottom. 4 in rollers. Lean back down against the massage back. Tendictothortitic, then return to the seated position with the hands holding the handles of the rope. Mimic the gesture of boating and repeat. Number 4. Balance Saffron Workout Bench. Adjustable. Both Olympic bench and squat rack are adjustable. Bench can be easily adjustable to incline, flat, and decline chest press positions, while the rack can be adjusted to different heights. 2-piece design. The Olympic bench and squat rack can be used together or separately or even moved out of the way, allowing you to perform squats and other exercises without obstruction. Heavy duty. Made from high-quality steel, designed to support a maximum user weight of 400 pounds and a maximum total weight of 800 pounds. Adjustable spotting arms prevent unnecessary injury while working out. Additional features. This set comes with a preacher curl pad and arm handle that allow you to isolate your arm movement for proper form. Leg developer is designed to target hamstrings, quadriceps, and glute muscles. Weight plates holders let you store you. Number 3. Flybird Workout Bench. High-quality bench. Made of commercial thickness steel. Pass thousands of weight tests to ensure safety for workout every time. Not the mendacious bench. Weight capacity is 800 pounds. Designed a unique frame with triangular structure and made of heavy-duty commercial-quality steel, which is very sturdy and durable. All this is important in your workout. Fast adjustment with automatic lock. Designed with 7 back positions and 3 seat positions for full body workout. You just pull the fast bolt, adjust the place which fit yourself, and automatic lock. Good 2-inch soft foam padding. 10.6-inch upgraded backrest and seat made of PU leather and filled with soft foam padding. Allow you do any exercise with a very comfortable feeling. Save 80% space. Flybird Foldable Bench. Easy to carry and no assembly needed. Folded size 30-inch long, 16-inch wide, 9-inch high. You can put it in the corner or under the bed when you finish workout. Number 2. Body Champ Workout Bench. Great for beginners. If you are just beginning your fitness journey, this is an excellent place to start. The versatile bench will allow you to customize your workout plan and get the most out of your home fitness. Multi-use fitness equipment. Target legs, chest, and arms with this incredible workout bench. Butterfly extensions are included, so you can do chest fly exercises without a spotter. Safety features. With the 2 safety hooks, you can securely lock weights into position. This prevents accidents and keeps you safe. Plus, the frame stabilizers prevent wobbling as an additional security measure. Adjustable back incline. Choose from 4 options of 3 inclines in a flat position. Each adjustment can create new challenges for your workout, so your routine will never become static. Number 1. Marcy Workout Bench. Extra comfort. This workout bench has padded vinyl foam seats and backrest pad for long-lasting comfort when lifting and sitting down. The rubber grips on the arm curl handle offer you added control, even when you sweat. Adjustable design. The Marcy Diamond Olympic Bench has an adjustable back pad and arm curl pad to accommodate incline, decline, and flat chest press exercises. You can also adjust the height of the barbell crutches for easier access. Squat rack. The separate squat rack can be used to perform walk-in squats and lunge exercises, giving you more flexibility in your training regimen. Versatile Olympic Bench. This training bench is great for a wide variety of full body workouts. You can use it to develop both your upper and lower body, as the 2-piece design allows for exercises that target both the arms and the legs. Tough construction. The bench has a powder-coated 14-gauge tubular steel frame that is resistant against rust and water damage. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.